Hey guys, today let's try to do the A/B testing or comparison on for your YouTube thumbnails. So what we need to go ahead and do first is to go on over YouTube Studio on your web browsers. And once you're here, I've chosen this specific video to edit. Now, as you would see, we do have this option called Test and Compare. And once you tap on this option, it actually allows you to test and compare different thumbnails. And you're going to actually go ahead and upload up to 3 images to learn which one your viewers prefer. So you can actually tap on this plus icon and proceed with uploading each of your selected thumbnails. Of course, these thumbnails should be edited properly and also should have the right amount of, let's say, graphics on it so that it could catch the eyes of the viewer. But of course, you can't really tell that, which is why YouTube has this new feature, which is Test and Compare. It allows you to upload it up to 3 different thumbnails so that the YouTube algorithm or its program could learn which one the viewers prefer and also show you analytical results so that you know what type of thumbnail to use for each of your videos the next time you post your videos. Essentially, that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.